4. And in question number 4, we stuck to that point that we had infinity this side and minus infinity this side, and in between we had 3 by 4. And I told you in the right hand side of 3 by 4, f dash x was greater than 0, right? And the left hand side of what happened? In the left hand side of f dash x, the this one was less than 0, right? So then the question was, yeah, good morning. So the question was what? That the function was increasing in which interval? The question was the function is increasing in which interval? So what you will see is that the answer will come out to be, look at here carefully. So what I see, my function increases at those points in which the slope is greater than 0. When the slope is greater than 0 or the slope is positive. So whenever my slope is positive, I can say that the function is increasing. So here in the right hand side of 3 by 4, I see that my slope is increasing, or sorry, my slope is greater than 0. So my slope is positive. So here is a region in which the function is positive. So this is a region in which the function is positive, increasing, right? So what you can say? So where is the function increasing? I will say from 3 by 4 to infinity. So the interval in which the function is increasing is 3 by 4 to infinity. Am I clear? And where is the function decreasing? Whenever my f dash x, whenever my slope is negative, I will say that the function is decreasing. So from 3 by 4 to minus infinity, the function is decreasing. So I have to join. So this is the point at which it is 0. So I have the decreasing portion will be minus infinity to 3 by 4. So let us write the answer. What do we have in here? So write down the function fx is strictly increasing in the interval in the interval in the interval 3 by 4 comma infinity, and the answer of B will be the function is strictly decreasing in the interval. I'm just writing the answer in the interval minus infinity to 3 by 4. So this is how my question number 4 goes. That's what my question number 4 is. Now, our question number 5 and the routine. You have no idea what situation we are going through, but still I will try to make a routine. All of us, the faculties, are adjusting with very different kind of situations we are going through. So I will try to get the routine. Okay, don't worry. I will try to get the routine as fast as possible. So that's, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, maths every day. I, the fact is that I will try my best. I will put it through because I have other. What should I say? How can I say that thing? As a fine, I will try to. I try my best to increase the classes of mathematics. Okay. Yeah. Question number 3. Question number 3. So what? Sorry, no. Why? Question number 5. So question number 5. Find the interval in which the function given by fx. Now, those who haven't done this question, so now listen to this question carefully. So every single question is related. So we have to find the interval in which this function is strictly increasing or decreasing. It's just like question number 4 only. So this is my function. This is my function. Now we have to prove whether the function is strictly increasing or decreasing. Now, in order to prove, what will I do? What will I do? How can I know whether a function is increasing or decreasing? How can I determine? Come on, tell me the first step. What should I do? I will find the slope of the function, right? And how to find the slope of the function? I will find f dash x. So let us find f dash x. So f dash x will be what? F dash x will be differentiating the function with respect to x. differentiating with respect to x. So what do I get? So if I differentiate with respect to x, so I get f dash x is equal to, so differentiation of 2x cube is what? 6x square minus 6x, and this one is what? Minus 36. I hope everyone got this one right, differentiation. So now we can take 6 common from all of them. If I take 6 common, I get x square minus x, I get minus 6. So this is what I get. Now this is a quadratic equation. So since this one is a quadratic equation, we can let us factorize this one. So what do you get? 6 x square, and what are the factors we can get? We can get minus 3, minus 3x, minus sorry, plus 2x, minus 6. Yes or no? Okay, so then 6, I can take x common from both of them. So if I take x common, I get x minus 3, and I will take 2 common from both of them, then I get x minus 3. So then what do we have? 6 into x minus 3 into x plus 2. Everyone clear or not? Yes or no? Please type yes in the comment box. Then I can think that. So now after this point, always remember, after this I have to find the critical points. Okay, I have to find the critical points. So how to determine the critical points? For critical points, how to determine the critical points? What are the critical points? Tell me. What is a critical point? Nobody knows now. A critical point is a point at which f dash x equal to 0. So for critical points, f dash x is equal to 0. So what can I write is 6 into x minus 3 x plus 2 equal to 0. So critical points are those points at which f dash x is equal to 0. Mariani, what is happening? Your network problem is what? You are leaving, then joining. You are facing network problems. Now, so this is, so for critical point f dash is equal to 0. So can anybody tell me what are the values of x for which this one is 0? Acha, 6 to goes away, so I can write this one as like this. Yes, very good. So we have two critical points in here. The two critical points are x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2. I hope everybody got this one. Now, after finding the critical points, I told you what. Look, mathematics is all about step. You do one step at a time. So first step was this one, finding the slope f dash x. My second step was to finding the critical point, right? And my third step will be to draw the number line. Okay, so let's draw the number line. So if I draw the number line, so here you write infinity and here you write minus infinity. And after doing this thing, what I will do, I will now mark that critical points in that number line. So I have minus 2. Obviously minus 2 will be in here, and since minus 2 is in here, so 3 will be in the right hand side of minus 2. So I will just do this thing. Understood? Clear? Now, these two critical points divide this number line in how many parts? These two critical points divide this number line in how many parts? In three parts, right? Yes, three parts. So now tell me a value greater than 3. Tell me a value. So the three parts are what? This is one region, this is another one region, and this is another one region. So there are three regions in which these two critical points divide the number line. So now tell me any value more than 3. Tell me any value more than 3. Any value more than 3. And I said one value. One value, 4. Okay, fine. I have taken 4. Fine. Don't write that 4 in there. So in your mind, take 4. So after taking that 4, put that 4 in f dash x. Put that 4 in f dash x, in the value of f dash x, and tell me what you get. Now put x is equal to 4 in here. Tell me whether it will be positive or negative. You don't have to tell me the value. You just tell me, if I put 4 in place of x, will it be positive or negative? Tell me. It will be positive. Yes. So right here, positive. Just for the timing, write positive. Now, tell me a value between 3 and minus 2. Tell me a value between 3 and minus 2. 1. So now put 1. Now in place. of x, put 1 in here and tell me, will it be positive or negative? It will be negative. So write here negative. Now take a value less than minus 2. Take a value less than minus 2. Take a value minus. Wow, 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 wow. Minus 1 is minus 1 is less than minus 2. Man, I have to. Who says that, sir? Yeah? Seriously. Acha, minus 3. Now put minus 3 in there. Will it be negative or positive? So positive. I know which planet from you. Acha, keep quiet. So these are the positive. So these are basically signs of what? These are signs of f dash x, right? So these are signs of the slopes, right? So can I write this one in place of positive? What I will write is, the best thing to write is, right here, f dash x is greater than 0. Understood? Am I clear? F dash x is positive means what? F dash x is greater than 0. F dash x negative means what? F dash x less than 0. Everyone, yes or no? Please write in the comment box, yes or no. You don't have to write, you are just saying yes sir for everything what I am doing. Okay, this is what you're understanding, or you're just saying yes sir. Then in your exam you will do no sir. Acha, this is Acha, this is what I get. Acha, fine. Now tell me the answer. Little, Ikali said, where is your doubt? Ikali, tell me, where is your doubt? At what point there is a doubt? Unless you solve your doubts in the class, how can you proceed with a tougher problem? No doubts. Yeah, no doubt, sir, and little. Acha, fine. Acha, now look at here. So this is what we have. These are the signs of f dash x we got, right? Now tell me, now I have a question. In which interval, the function is decreasing? Let's see who can tell me. Look at this problem and tell me. In which interval, why you are feeling shy? Yeah? What's the reason of feeling shy? Very good. Sanjana got it right. So I am asking in which interval the function is decreasing. So all I have to check, in which interval f dash x is less than 0, right? So in which interval f dash x is less than 0, I can very much see that thing in the diagram, that f dash x is less than 0 between minus 2 and 3, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Ikali, you look at here. F dash x less than 0. F dash x less than 0 means what? The function is decreasing. So the interval in which the function decreasing is will be minus 2 to 3. So the interval will be minus 2 to 3. Am I clear? Okay. Look, in mathematics, the more problem you do, all your doubts goes slowly. So you have to do as many problem as you can. Now tell me, now I have a next question. In which interval is the function increasing? Now this one is a tough question. Let's see who can get it correct. In which, but I am asking the interval. Just like their answer, yes, what interval the function? Very good. Then 3 comma infinity. So these are the interval in which the function is increasing, right? Yes or no? But in order to write this one together, what do I do? In order to write this one together, what do I do? I use union sign. Am I clear? Union sign I use in order to write this two together. Clear? Okay. Now, acha, let's start this one. So union basically do what? Union is just adding the two. So here it was. Acha, let me write the answer first. So the function is increasing. Where does the function increase? Where the slope is positive. Where f dash x is greater than 0. So this is the interval at which f dash x is greater than 0. And again, this is the interval at which f dash x is 0, greater than 0. So what we can say? The function is increasing. The function is increasing is increasing in the interval minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 comma infinity. Okay, everyone clear? Now the next one will be what? The function is decreasing in the interval minus 2 to 3. The function is decreasing in the interval. What is the interval? Minus 2 to 3. I hope it's clear.